So hey guys, this is KMCers whatever. I'm Kiersten and welcome back to another vlog. So today is currently Monday, and I did edit the video that goes up on Wednesday. I did make some TikToks. I edited those TikToks, but I wanted to go ahead and give you guys an update on my diamond art that I started like over a week ago, I believe. And this is how far I've gotten done on it. So let's flip you around here. Let's show you. So I have all of this done. I still have a little bit of this orange left. But I have all of this done. But I still have to do this down here. So, but I've been working on this orange. Alright, we have the little burrito. I put his food in there. Recipes right there. So we're gonna give it to him and see how he does. There's food in there. Smell. No, right here. Oh, he lost a piece of kibble. Oh, he got it open. Panda, that was his. Chew. Alright, so I just found this like bag that I already had. It says have a jawsome birthday. Kind of funny because none of this is shark related, but you know, I've had this bag for a while, might as well just use it, who cares. I'm using Christmas wrapping, like paper, tissue, Christmas tissue to kind of whatever. And I'm trying to use up this like big pack of Christmas tissue that I kind of bought. So I used a bunch of like shiny red, and I decided to use the tissue paper to individually wrap all of them. So I am gonna go ahead and show you what I'm getting my niece for her birthday, and start wrapping that, because her birthday party is actually this week. So she's obsessed with Bluey. She's gonna be 2. Yeah, she's gonna be 2. So we got her this PJ set with some shorts. It's cute. I think this is just adorable. I was gonna get her like a long sleeve one or whatever for like winter, but I then decided no. Just no. She is very into dresses, so she got this little dress. It has Bluey on it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just very cute. Oh, Bluey's right there. Hopefully you can tell, but I thought this is cute. And then lastly, By the way, everybody else gets toys and stuff, and I'm just not that kind of person that wants to give a bunch of toys. I like to gift experiences, but she is still too young for us to do anything. So I am going to gift her clothes because I feel like nobody ever gives clothes, you know? But I found this little orange little romper. Yeah, it's a romper, right? Yeah, it's connected. It is so cute. I thought she could wear that for the summer because this is just too freaking cute not to. So I am going to gift her just a bunch of clothes. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be that fun aunt. Okay, her gift is wrapped. I'm just using white and red paper because that's what I have on hand. But her gift is wrapped. So, get it. Get it. Get it. Well, don't take out my... Oh God, she could pop it. I hope it not. Get it! No. Get it. Get it. Not me. Not me.
Asshole. He's like boxing your mouth.
He's sticking his butt like you can't reach it. You can't reach it. Oh, she got it.
Bella, come here. Yeah, come here. What? What? Come on.
Now that you're out. Get it. Good boy. Good boy. I'm so proud of you. You lost the ball though.
He's ready to cool off.
Get it. Nope.
Get it.
He's gonna go for it. Oh, oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Chicken.
Alright, while I was at the store getting some more bouquets, I found this Miniverse Make It Mini Plush edition, which I've never seen before. Alright, we are back with another one of these Miniverse Make It Mini Plushes. I just found these in the store, never seen them before, so we're gonna see what we got. Alright, we are back with another Miniverse Make It Mini Plush edition, and we are on the hunt for the collection. Alright, we are back with another Miniverse Make It Mini Plush edition, and I am looking for anything but breakfast. Alright, we are back with another Miniverse Make It Mini Plush edition.